Hello everybody, today I will show you how to fix Windows won't update problem. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking. Go to Windows search bar, type cmd, right click run as administrator, copy the commands from description and paste it, copy the first command, paste it, click enter, copy the second command, paste it, click enter, restart your computer. After restarting, go to settings, go to update and security, click on Windows Update, click on retry. That's it. Thanks for watching.